Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce myself. My name is Afa Indriani. Hello, I will present my research report entitled Analysis of the Role of Tax Volunteer in Increasing Taxpayer Reporting Compliance Private Perform for Assessment of Proposal Seminar Requirement. The next began behind. The government needs large funds to carry out sustainable development and carry out government activities. The fund needed to achieve outcome from various possible results. Only the tax revenue or the Shamsuddin 2021. One of them is tax revenue, namely taxes. In Indonesia, the shared assessment voting system is adopted. This means recurring taxpayer to pay an activity involving their tax application independently. And supporting the self-assessment system, the Directorate General of Taxes, or DGIV, is trying to increase tax revenue in instilling tax reform. The one form of tax reform is rate filling. Apart from and filling based on the law on harmonization of regulation, RWWIPP, the government is also making efforts. Article number 2, paragraph 1, matter of the HIPP laws, that's the population identification number, referred as the taxpayer identification number, or NPWP. This can decide to be the sum a single identity number because it has similarity to SEI in other countries. For ratio median to 2009. The creation of SI will make it easier for the government to track tax taxation and report them. The next, the number of registered taxpayers in Indonesia has increased to 24 in the last 2,000 years, which shows there is growth in tax knowledge every year. However, in 2021, when the Indonesian economy is estimated to exceed 2,715 trillion rupiah, will not be able to meet its need. According to a survey by the Central Statistic Agency, or PPS, it is projected 113.9 million people will work in period to 2021. Only 45 and 43 million individual taxpayers and registered the Ministry of Finance at the time. The next background behind this figure show that the proportion of the working population to individual taxpayer is only 34.66%, or Central Statistic Agency of BPS. To period 2022. Low percentage hampers the effectiveness of national tax collection. Indonesia people are still less aware of the need to register with the tax service office. An option a taxpayer identification number, so that there are many economic activities that should be taxed but cannot be taxed by the tax authorities. For the reasons under et al. To period 2021. Reckon behind next. Taxpayer ability to utilize the facilities offered by the Directorate General of Taxes to fulfill their tax obligation, such as fulfilling it associates law. In fact, many taxpayers do not know how to fill out SPTPA appealing. Duration 90 and NISA. The appealing system in Indonesia has been operating since 2015, but there are still taxpayers who have not used it due to difficult adapting to technology, and people have stopped reporting this as PT with a form and visiting the nearest tax service office or KPP. The government method in this country, Directorate General of Taxes of DGB, is collaborating with universities in Indonesia to establish a tax center. The activities carried by the tax center are a tax volunteer program. The tax volunteer program is a collaboration program between universities and government institutions, namely the Directorate General of Taxes, or DGB, Directorate General of Tax Government. Example, third parties, namely students, were involved in this program to support effort to increase taxpayer comprehension by taxpayer. And then behind the tax volunteer program makes it easier for the public to report taxpayer. Apart from that, with association from tax volunteer, the intention or awareness of the public in carrying out tax reporting will emerge, which will therefore have an effect on increasing tax compliance. Seeing table 1.1 tax revenue in Indonesia in billions of rupiah. In this period 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, until 2023. The next Vikram 9, this proposed tax have an important role in national development and can improve the standard of living of Indonesia people. For the reason, taxpayer must obey to fulfill their tax obligation. One aspect that has a significant influence on tax sector income is taxpayers who are physically being in carrying out their obligation. The region of official Hanafi and Saifi, the period 2021. Better than the explanation around, the researchers aside a team regarding the role of tech volunteer with the title Analysis of the Role of Tax Volunteer in Improving Individual Taxpayer Reporting Compliance. The research question was carried out at KPP Pratama Pasar Rebo, East Jakarta area. The research KPP Pratama Pasar Rebo is one of the 9 KPPs under the auspice of the East Jakarta DGB Regional Office, which has the largest working area in DKI Jakarta province, where this working area covers 3 sub-districts: Pasar Rebo District, Ciracas District, Sub-District Cipayung, and KPP Pratama Pasar Rebo also has the largest number of taxpayers at the East Jakarta DGB Regional Office. The next part, formulation problem. This is number 1 first, formulation. What is the role of KPP Pratama Pasar Rebo tax volunteer? The second formulation, what obstacle do tax volunteer and tax seller has at KPP Pratama Pasarbo. The third Formula 3, what are the strategies of tax volunteer and tax counselor in overcoming obstacles? And in objective study, number one, analyzing the role of the tax volunteer in improving individual taxpayer reporting. Number second, analyzing the obstacle faced by tax volunteer and tax instructor in submitting individual annual tax return. Number three, analyzing the strategies of tax volunteer and tax instructor in overcoming obstacles. And then part benefit study. Number one, theoretical. And then number two, practical. This is part researched countries. Number one, definition of tax. According to Ardiasmo, tax is a mandatory contribution from the people to the statutory as regulation in the law without any counter. The fund which is directly utilized and used to finance tax expenditure. And then number two, function tax. According to Mariasmo, explained and in general, there are two functions, namely the budget or budget type and the function of regulation or regulator. The function of the budget is the largest source of state revenue. Takes half the function of financing state expenditure option have the function of financing state expenditure option from tax revenue. Will the regulator function, namely taxes, can be used as an instrument in achieving state goal, namely the prosperity of the people. And the number two, tax compliance. According to Widyastuti, tax compliance is a condition where taxpayers have fulfilled their tax obligation and right in accordance with applicable law and regulation. And then the last 14, volunteer tax, referring to article number 1 until number 9 of the Directorate General of Taxes Regulation, number PAR 12 or PG or 2021. Tax volunteer is someone who voluntarily contributes their time, energy, thoughts, and expertise to play an active role in tax education activities carried to increase taxpayer compliance and ensures the implementation of third-party involvement in tax education activities. The next literature review reviews research. This research was conducted based on the result of previous research. Previous research aims to option comparative material between research currently conducted and research that has been conducted by previous research. As video is research by Warno and his friend to period 2022. The result of the research showed that through tax service, education, and socialization by tax volunteer to taxpayer will come to KPP Pratama Pasarbo. Directing taxpayer will come according to tax needs, assisting taxpayer in creating bill records, helping to input the daily register of mandatory SPT receipt file taxes, assisting the process of billing tax bill, or STP, helping taxpayer fill out SPT report and educating taxpayer on the process of filling out SPT. In this part, space and time. This research was conducted at KPP Pratama Pasar Bo, East Jakarta region located on Jalan Raya Jakarta Bogor, number 149, RT Aik or RB2, Rambutan, Kecamatan Ciracas, S. Jakarta City. In the part research design, this research uses qualitative research with a descriptive approach. According to Sugiono, qualitative research is research based on false positive or external philosophy used to research the condition of natural objects, where the research is the key instrument. Data collection techniques are carried by triangulation, or combination of observation, interview, documentation. The data option tends to be qualitative data. Data is inductive or qualitative in nature, and the result of qualitative research are to understand meaning, understand imprecise, construct phenomena, and find hypotheses. In the parts next, source data and primary data. According to Sugiono, what is meant by primary data is a data source that directly provides data to data collector. And number two, source data, secondary data. Manuel, what is meant by secondary data according to Sugiono is a source that does not directly provide data to data collectors. And the next part, technique data collection. Number one, observation first process. The next second process, interview. And then third process, documentation. And the last fourth process, studies reference. And then part next, validity technique data. Number one, source string evaluation. Testing the credibility of data is done with checking data that has been optioned from various data sources. Number two, engineering triangulation is testing the credibility of data is done by checking data that has been optioned from the same source using different techniques. And the last, time triangulation. Testing the credibility of data must be checked using observation, interview, and documentation. At different time or situation until credible data is optioned. The research uses triangulation data validity technique. And then next part, technique analysis data. Number one, search for information to get a general idea of the object to be researched around issue that is research theme. Number two, collect data information related of research themes and problems from various reference sources. Number three, compile research report for available data results. And the number four, conduct initial observation to observe the condition of the research site. And number five, conduct interview and document with text counselor, text volunteer, and text volunteer supervisor lecturer. And the next, number six, then draw conclusion. The conclusion in this research were done after conducting interview, text counselor, and text volunteer at KPP Pratama Pasar. Thank you in this my presentation.